Want to try cute matching tattoos with your friends, or maybe a couple tattoo, but real tattoos feel like a little too much? Today, I'm going to make custom tattoo stickers using Sunnyscopa Dry Tattoo Paper, a dry transfer tattoo paper that applies with pressure, no water needed. I'll show you the whole process from printing to cutting and applying. And I'll also show you how to use a Cricut maker to cut the tattoos neatly so they're easy to peel and use, just like a finished product. First, prepare your Sunnyscopa Dry Tattoo Paper. For this video, I created a few small and cute friendship tattoos with ChatGPT, perfect for 4 people to wear together. Here are some of the designs I made, and I'll also share a few of the prompts I used. Once your images are ready, use a design tool or AI tool to remove the background and save them as PNG files with a transparent background. Today, we're also going to cut the tattoo stickers with a cutting machine for a cleaner, more polished finish. So if you've been wanting to try a cutting machine, keep watching. I'll be using the Cricut Maker 3, and I'll work in Cricut Design Space, Cricut's free design and cutting app. First, install Cricut Design Space, log in, and create a new project. When you open a new project, you'll see the canvas. Choose a blank canvas, and let's bring in the designs. Now I'm going to upload the images I created with ChatGPT. Click Upload from the menu on the left. After uploading your image, choose Flat Graphic, since we're going to use this color image as it is. Upload all the images you want to turn into tattoos in the same way. Next, adjust the size of each image so it works well as a tattoo. I wanted these to be small and cute, so I resized most of them to around 2 to 3 centimeters. Now it's time to arrange the designs. To create a guide for the layout, go to Shapes on the left and add a rectangle. Even though we're printing on A4 paper, we need to leave space for the printer margins and for the Cricut sensor marks that will be printed later. So I'll set the actual design area to about 16 centimeters wide and 24 centimeters tall. This rectangle doesn't need to be cut, so select the rectangle layer, go to the top menu where it says Basic Cut, and change it to Guide. Now place your tattoo designs freely inside this guide. Since we'll be adding cut lines around each tattoo later, make sure to leave a little space between the designs. Once everything is arranged, select all the tattoo image layers. Then go to Effects in the top menu and choose Sticker. This will automatically create cut lines around each design. You can also adjust the gap between the image and the cut line. I set mine to about 0.2 centimeters. Now that the layout and cut lines are ready, let's print the sheet. Click Make in the upper right. Change the material size to A4. And here's a very important step. Since dry tattoo paper is applied face down onto the skin, you must turn on Mirror before printing. Make sure Mirror is turned on, then click Continue. Now click Send to Printer. You'll see a message explaining that sensor marks will be printed so Cricut can detect the exact cutting position. Click Next to continue. Select the printer you want to use, turn Add Bleed off, and turn Use System dialog on. When you click Print, your system print settings will appear. For the paper type, choose Transparency Film, OPP Film, or the closest available film setting on your printer. Now it's time to take out the Sunnyscopa Dry Tattoo Paper. Dry tattoo paper comes with 5 semi-transparent printing sheets and 5 smooth adhesive sheets. We're going to print on the coated side of the printing sheet. The coated side is slightly glossier than the other side, so it's easier to tell under the light. Place the printing sheet into the manual feed tray of your printer, then print your design. And here it is. The designs are printed beautifully. If you're using the inkjet version of dry tattoo paper, make sure the ink is fully dry before moving on to the next step. Now let's take out the adhesive sheet. Peel back just a small corner of the protective liner. Then align the adhesive sheet over the printed sheet and slowly remove the liner while pressing it down with a ruler. The adhesive needs to be applied evenly over the printed area for the best transfer result. Use a ruler or squeegee to press it down carefully and remove any air bubbles. Now let's go back to Cricut Design Space. If your Cricut Maker is powered on and connected, you should see this screen where you select the base material. But we're not going to continue right away. First, click Cancel to go back one step. Earlier, we turned on Mirror for printing, but now, for cutting, we need to turn Mirror off. After applying the adhesive sheet, we'll place the tattoo sheet on the mat with the printed sheet facing up. So when Cricut cuts it, the design should appear in its normal direction from above. Go back to the Prepare screen and turn Mirror off, then click Continue again. Now let's choose the material setting. Cricut offers a variety of material settings. But for dry tattoo paper, it's best to test and adjust the cutting pressure to your own machine. First, click Browse All Materials. Then go to Material Settings at the bottom of the list so we can adjust the cutting pressure. Among the default material options, I found printable sticker paper white gray liner printing to be the closest setting to what I needed, so I used that as the base and adjusted it. Here, Kiss Cut means cutting only the top layer without cutting all the way through the full sheet. Since I want these to peel off like stickers, I'll set the Kiss Cut pressure to around 290 to 295. If you want to cut all the way through the tattoo sheet, you can set the die cut or basic cut pressure to the maximum level. After saving the setting, select the material we just edited, printable sticker paper white gray liner printing. I'll leave the Kiss Cut pressure on default. Now let's prepare the mat for the Cricut Maker. Place the A4 tattoo sheet we just made onto a standard grip mat. The direction is important here. Place the smooth adhesive film side down and the semi-transparent printed sheet facing up. Now load the mat into the Cricut Maker. Make sure the fine point blade is properly installed in clamp B. When everything is ready, press the Load button on the machine to load the mat. Once the Cricut Maker checks the mat length, the Go button will start blinking. Press the Go button and the cutting will begin. And here are the finished dry tattoo paper stickers after cutting. They're easy to peel off one by one, and they look so much cleaner and more professional. Now let's apply the finished tattoo sticker. Before applying the tattoo, clean your skin with an alcohol wipe or soapy water, then let it dry completely. Any oil or moisture left on the skin can reduce the adhesion. Now carefully peel off the tattoo sticker without touching the adhesive side too much and place it on the area where you want to apply it. Press the entire tattoo firmly with your palm for about 10 seconds. You can also gently rub around the edges to help everything stick evenly. Next, use your fingernail to gently tap and lift one edge of the film. Once you see the film starting to separate from the tattoo layer, slowly peel off the entire film. And it's done. Doesn't it look like a real tattoo? If the tattoo wasn't fully pressed down and you see a slight mark around the edge of the film, don't worry. Just use a wet wipe and gently press and smooth the tattoo into the skin. This helps the film adhere more closely and makes the edge marks look much more natural. Today, I showed you how to make temporary tattoos with a clean Cricut cut finish. They're perfect for trips with friends, matching couple tattoos, friendship tattoos, or anytime you want to try a tattoo without the commitment. No water needed, easy to apply, and easy to remove whenever you want. Now you can create your own temporary tattoos with any design you like. I'll leave the link to Sunnyscopa Dry Tattoo Paper in the video description. I'll be back with more easy and creative tattoo sticker ideas next time. Thanks for watching!